Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Valentine's Day special video. So yeah, today I'm gonna make a beautiful simple card for Valentine's Day. Only few things you need to make this card. All the measurements will be on the screen, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. Also, if you wanna buy any kind of customized product for any occasion, definitely you should check my Instagram account. The link will be in the description box. So yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay, so inside decoration part is ready. Here I have written something, and you can add some photos also or some cards also. There are a lot of spaces. And now I will make the cover page. Okay guys, so my card is ready and I have tried to make it simple and easy so that you could make it, and did not use any kind of fancy item. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Comment down below and like and share also with your friends and family. So that's it for today guys. Bye bye, take care and happy crafting.